Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and this is my style cooking channel. So today I am going to do a simple chicken dish that is called pepper chicken, and it is called pepper chicken because we use a lot of pepper corns in that. Okay, so I have taken 1 kg of chicken, nicely cleaned and washed. You can use boneless. I have taken with bones and small pieces. We'll be needing some ginger garlic paste, and I have taken chopped onion, 5 medium size. These are 5 medium size chopped in this way. I have taken around 15 of cloves of garlic. 1 lime juice will go in this, and this is around 3 teaspoon of this size, 3 teaspoon of this size of whole pepper. Then I crushed it with this. You can do it with your mixer grinder, but I wanted like not very fine powder, so I crushed it in this way. And oil for frying. So let's start. Salt for taste also will go. Now there is various styles of making pepper chicken. This is one of my style. So I'll be using around 2 big tablespoon of oil because we are not going to add any water to this chicken. So once the oil is hot, let's first add our garlic cloves to this. And our chopped onion. And fry this nicely till it changes the color, translucent. And in this only now I will add our ginger garlic paste, that is around like 2 big teaspoon of this. So this is 1, this is 2 big tablespoon, you can say. If you have a bigger teaspoon, that also is there, but depending on your size of your teaspoon and tablespoon. I have not marinated the chicken, but if you all want to marinate your chicken with ginger garlic paste and lime juice and salt, you can do that. Let it fry. So now here it is nicely Right. Now at this stage we are going to use our washed chicken to this and mix this all nicely. Let this fry nicely. Now at this stage, let us use our lime juice. Squeeze all the lime juice. Mix this all nicely again. Now we'll add our salt to taste. Salt is totally depending upon you. So salt to taste. And mix this all nicely. And at this stage, now the crushed pepper we will put. Now we'll mix this to the entire chicken. Cover this and cook this till the chicken is done. So this is no other masala. I am adding nothing. This is my style of pepper chicken. I used to make this many times but never made a video of this, and this is my one of the favorite and easy also recipe. Not much ingredients, and let it cook. We'll cover this and cook this till our chicken is nicely cooked. So let's again check our chicken. See, you don't need to put any water in this, and the juice itself of the chicken and the aroma is very nice. So we'll again cover this. So now it's still getting cooked, and if you can see the juice, and it's nicely getting cooked. Let it get cooked. And I want to garnish this with this. This is also known as pepper. We call it Shimla mirch. Okay, so I have chopped one of this and I'm going to fry that, and I will garnish this with this fried pepper, because if you see, a pepper doesn't have much taste. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to fry this. Okay, so this is the way what I have cut. So you can garnish it with any, like some people want more spicy, then you can add your green chilies, but then already pepper powder is there, around like 3 tablespoons of pepper powder, so this will become extra. I will again add a little bit of crushed pepper on this and salt on this to give a taste. Little bit of crushed pepper. And a pinch of salt to this. So that's it. They are fried nicely. I will put off my gas on that side. And this is still, I will show you again. It has got a nice color of the onions and of the pepper. So now here is our chicken nicely done. It's nicely cooked. It took around 15 minutes on medium flame. I tasted it and I have checked it and it is all nice. So now this point of time I am going to garnish I'll put off the gas now and garnish this with this fried pepper. This is optional, but it gives a nice texture, color for our chicken. Hope you will all enjoy this and do let me know. And if you are garnishing, please fry the peppers, okay? and it looks so nice. So thank you so much.